Awesome, man.
My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage.
Appreciate it, man. You gonna get a hair trick? Cool deal. Get it hooked up. That'll be one of the last demos of 2017. Really? Yeah, for Scrapin the Code.
Counting that paper like Bruce. Yeah, getting that chicken with blue cheese. Yeah, boy, you so fat like my collar. You snaking, I swear to God, that be that Gucci. You know we winning. Yeah, we is not losing.
She gonna have a bad night tonight.
We're about to go to water park, so maybe it'll get better.
Awesome, man. Appreciate you checking it out.
Thanks, man.
All right, if anybody over there wants to hear it, just stick your head in the window because this will be lit. This will be the last one. If you want to hear it, stick your head in the window.
All set. Woo, 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 woo. Records on records, got records on records, on records, on records. So I keep it.
What's up, man? What do you think about it? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Appreciate you checking it out.
All right, we got to do a damage report real quick for Scrapin the Coast 2017 damage report. All right, got the Tahoe here. As you can see, we straight up demolished the windshield right here. This is the same windshield from from Slamology, so it was just split up to about right here before, but obviously we split it all the way up and across. And the firewall's starting to crack right here. And obviously we tore the whole dash apart. All the cowl pieces are gone. The whole dash is tore apart. Blew this entire speaker apart. This isn't because the speaker blew, but it's from the pressure of the subs blowing it out. This is broke. You can see all the stuff that's like, this is my fire extinguisher beating around down here, all these parts, dash parts, speaker parts. Subs are all good. No issues with the subs, no issues with the amps. That's awesome. Another shot of the windshield right here. What else? Oh, Dash piece, this is all broke. The dash is demolished. Dash is demolished. But other than that, it's performed awesomely. The amps, subs, speakers, like it's done really well. So super grateful. My boy Chris putting in work over here. I appreciate all you guys that came by. We'll see you at the next show.
Bumping down your block, knocking pictures off the walls. On Front Street, Ryan bagging bitches out the mall. On the giant high, just like Gucci Mane, I'm